We're live. Good morning. Let's go. Market opening in a couple minutes. I got the 1 minute chart pulled up here and the 2 minute chart pulled up here. Boom, 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 boom.
When you put your heart and soul into creating something, you want it to make it to endure.
5 minute chart.
I'm Questlove, and this is Quest for Craft. My collaboration
15 minute chart.
A deep dive into the obsessive, never-ending, whatever it takes journey to
Nasdaq sitting there right under VWAP.
When you have an idea you're passionate about, yet it seems there's no place for it in the
Got some news coming out this morning.
Or do you stick to it and change the world?
Some 10 a.m. news, big 10 a.m. news. Gonna take the dog for a quick walk real quick before we got some time. Yes, that means you are going for a walk. Sure. Last night. All right.
2 and 1. Let's get it, baby. Nasdaq through that 50 area.
All right, market is
Stuff
open.
in the 70s for now. Got that gap fill. Obviously, the gap fill putting us down there, 20,020s. I'd be very impressed that if we don't sell down there, but let's see how it plays. Right now, being patient, wait for our setup. Got the VWAP right now at the 95s. Let's push up there to that VWAP. Get denied, baby. Bulls trying to come in here. Back up to the VWAP. A lot of volume coming up here right now. And video ripping up as well. So the whole market just straight up here at the open. Gonna see how this reacts to the VWAP here. right there at the VWAP right now at that 21 EMA as well. Just kind of holding up here. The ES is ripping up. Nasdaq's right there at the VWAP. VWAP for now. We got more numbers coming out, so.
Kind of bounced off these lows from overnight at 2:30. We got yesterday's low down there to 20,009s and the gap fill.
Right now, the ES and the Nasdaq kind of reversing back up here. Let's see what happens. That VWAP is going to be support or not. Again, that 9:45 number, very important. 10 o'clock number is very important. It's Friday as well, so let's just be patient. Wait for that right setup here. 15-minute range coming up. It's going to be perfect, too, with that news coming out there, so. I think we can. Sitting there, pushing off the VWAP right now. Just kind of chopping, needs to get away from the ES right now. Is going straight up. Will the Nasdaq follow? ES is now above the data highs. ES pushing. All right, all right. This is a great time to just stay patient, my friends. Especially with all the news coming out and 10 o'clock news. There is no rush. No rush to do anything. Could be a very big trap at the upside here, especially that data coming out, everything going on in the world right now. You never know. ES still showing a lot of strength up there through the highs. There's a pivot point. 5,772 on the ES.
Pivot point up here at the 20,175. And then the pivot point to the downside, 19,855.
That hourly chart right above the VWAP. We're kind of pushing back up, but I just don't trust this right now. Just want to be patient. We got that data high up there at the 147s, 20,147s. Very indecisive right now. Stuck there again, right at the VWAP. And there it goes, right back down. So again, it's very choppy here. This could be a big old trap. The Dow's going straight up. Nasdaq's chopping here. Look at the dollar. Market waiting for numbers, I think. 9:45, 10 o'clock numbers. Where got to be thinking about that. Like, hey, what's the market waiting for? 9:45, 10 o'clock numbers, very important numbers today. PMI numbers, inflation numbers, going to set the tone for future rate cuts and all that fun stuff. So, also the fact that it's fucking Friday, we got elections next week. It's a good time to blow up your account. And I'm not talking about in the green, I'm talking about in the red. ES still showing strength. Nasdaq still showing some strength here. Just sitting there. Come on, Nasdaq, do something. We got the 15-minute range coming up. Don't be worried, people. Everybody gets so excited. You know, oh, the market's open. Let's get excited. Hey, nothing wrong. We just sit back. Leprechaun man. Leprechaun man. Look at the leprechaun man. Nasdaq, Nasdaq. Very just indecisive here. We are kind of holding up with that VWAP. The ES is making new highs right now. Nasdaq just can't go, but look at the Dow ripping higher. ES is ripping higher. Nasdaq not ripping higher. What does this mean? What does it mean? I think Nasdaq's going to rip higher here. As long as the ES keeps going. ES is at that pivot point. We broke through the data highs on the ES. Nasdaq just can't get away from this VWAP right now. But if it starts ripping, you know what's going to happen. Someone's in trouble, and it ain't going to be me. Somebody's about to be in trouble. Oh, yeah, somebody's in trouble. And it ain't me. Oh, Lord. And it ain't me, baby. It ain't me. It ain't me, baby. It ain't me. All right, we are right now 15 or 10 minutes into the market open. Kind of just chop around, going crazy right now. I'm telling the chat just to sit back, be patient, wait for the show to really start. With those numbers at 9:45 and 10 o'clock, you can expect anything. So right now the Dow, the ES, is pushing straight up. Nasdaq lagging here. I think the Nasdaq wants that 150 area next. Let's see if it happens. The bull's about to get paid. Okay. Like we said, Nasdaq pushing, following the ES. If you check out the ES right now, the ES just pushed through the pivot point. Nasdaq wants to get through this data high, right? Data high number being this right here, that 146, 150 is up there next. So starting to get a little bit of a push out of this 15-minute downward trend right here for a push back up. And then go right up here through the high of this candle, being that 146 is next. You're at 136 now. Let's get right through that 140 area there. Take out that wick. Go ahead and put it on the board. Get ready for it. Get ready for it, people. She's trying to push.
I guess she could have taken a long there. Kind of have this breakout on the 15-minute. Above VWAP.
Looking for that 40 push right here, right now. Look at it. How beautiful it is. How beautiful it is. Take out this high right here at this candle. That 46 level next. Pushed up right to that, right into that level here on the 15-minute chart. 2-minute candle as well, trying to push. I would love to see this go right through that 140 there. Right here, right now, get it. Little bull flag on the ES trying to form. Maybe a little bull flag on the Nasdaq. But particularly, I would just, this would make more sense just to go right through that 146s there, you know? there above the high now. From that data, the data number came out 8:30. You can see how we just pushed above the high of that candle. What a beautiful move. Like we said, the ES leading the way here. Nasdaq pushing straight up. Pushing straight up there. Trying to get that 50 push next.
Ooh, there it is.
That's right. We're taking profit. Let's go, baby. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my Lord. Baby Jesus. How can one man be so beautiful and so good? Go ahead and put it on the board. Go ahead and put it on the board, boys and girls. Put it on the board through the 50s.
It's kind of lag on the 2 minute
Let's go.
going into open, and then with what it did after open here. Right there, there's your ramp up. We got above VWAP, above the 21 EMA, and then just shot straight up.
Up there through the 60s now.
It's nice. You got in at the wherever you got in. If you got in at 110s, over 40 points, 50 points.
Hey, I just, people in the chat, I haven't been reading the chat, but here we are. Whatever. On to the next trade. I ain't got time to fuck with the idiots in the chat right now. I literally just said we're going to go through the 150s. Where the fuck we at right now? 160. Suck my fucking dick. Go ahead and don't watch the stream. What the fuck are you talking about? I literally just fucking said, guys, we are going to go through the data highs. I said be patient, and then this fucking setup came. Ah! I'm fucking over it. I fucking hate this chat. I swear to fucking God. I want to kill somebody right now. I don't have time. I do not have time to hold your fucking hands. I don't have time. I am making money. What are you talking? Sit here and hold your fucking hands. I can't. I can't fucking sit here and hold your fucking hands. God. I literally just said I was focused. I was trading. Did you know? I just said it's gonna go through the highs. I can't. I swear to fucking God. God, I literally just, what the fuck is going on? How? I just fucking said exactly what was gonna happen, but the chat, Dad, you never tell us. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know what to do. I can't. I don't even give a fuck. Fuck everybody. Everybody gets sucked off my big old dick. There's my profit. 11 accounts, $2,000. Where you go? What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want? Hey, here's my other 20 accounts up 500. Look, we got long 31s. The profit into the 50 push. What do you want from me? I said exactly what was gonna happen. Look, I cannot fucking hold your hand every minute of every day. Alright, I just can't do that. How am I supposed to do that? I gotta make my own fucking money. This is a free live stream. It's a free live stream. What do you want from me? Look at this setup. Oh my God, look. Once we started breaking out here, where do you think you're gonna fucking go next? Don't be a fucking moron. Look at the 5-minute candle. Come on. It's fucking stupid at this point. Literally fucking stupid. I sit here on the live stream and I say, hey guys, we're gonna go through the 150s through the high of this candle. What do you think I'm doing? I'm not fucking shorting. I'm not fucking getting short. I can't. Just fucking chat. So why watch? Don't watch it. Don't watch. You know what I mean? Don't fucking watch it. Don't watch it. Don't watch
All right, we got some more news coming out in about 13 minutes. 12 minutes. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's get this push up on out. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Get this push on up and out. There we go. Come on. Come on. Trying to get this push on up and out here. Come on. Can she go? Let's go. Can she go? Push on up and out. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Get this push on up and out. Come on. There we go. See if we can trail this on up and out here. Get this nice breakout. Let's get up above 15-minute range. We got the pivot there at the 175s. Come on. Take three more off up there. Come on. There we go. There we go. Let's go, baby. Come on. Getting that push up and out. See if we can get this break straight through out of the 15-minute range above this 175 area. Let's see if she wants to go. Keeping our stop down here right above these wicks on this previous candle, locking in some profits there. All right, there we go. All right, it's taking a small win there, guys. Well, $241 win. Not the greatest, but hey, whatever. We'll take it. A little long there. Is he done? Oh. Okay. $241. We got in at the 148. Decent entry. Maybe could have got in at like 45. Market pushed up to almost 75. So over 20 points on that one, on those three contracts. That was a decent trade. We're kind of right below this pivot now. We want to wait until we close above it, maybe bull flag again before we take another trade. But yeah, there we go, guys. Locking in one win for the day. Wanted to get closer to 300. Maybe should have let some of these play out a little bit more, but that's all right. Over 20 points on those three, though. That was good. Kind of saw we had this nice push here, and then we pulled back to the 21 EMA. The waves are coming in. We're going long. The trend is upwards, obviously. So we entered on this breakout above these two candles here. We were in drawdown for a little bit, but then we eventually got that push up like we were looking for. So yeah, we can see the waves down, up, putting in higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Obviously, if we would have caught this nice breakout here, that would have been nice too, but we were waiting. We got some more news coming out in 4 minutes, so we're going to wait for that to come and go. Yeah, my mentor just ended his stream. I mean, he had a winning trade, but like just stopped. That's fine. Let's see what the market wants to do with this news coming out in 2 minutes.
Right here, we got obviously the 10 o'clock news coming out. Little bull flag breakout here. There's the breakout again. Anthony, be transparent. All right. This is how transparent I'm going to be. Listen up. I don't fucking owe you shit, Anthony. I don't really give a fuck. It's Fresh Cash Friday. I'm already in the green. So guess what? This is how transparent I'm going to be. I'm going to leave. I'm going to go somewhere else, do more stuff in my life. I got better things to do. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you made some money. And I'll see you guys next week. So there's my transparency.
I got this news coming out in 1 minute. Market's gonna go crazy. We're not gonna trade this. We're just gonna watch it. See what happens here. Ooh, pushing on up. Just kidding, pushing down. Here's the news. Mexico has news in an hour. What the heck? PMI. Today is the first day of American Indian Heritage Month, and coincidentally, I am on a property that has a lot of Native American history with it. There's a lot of arrowheads on the property that we're going to go look for this weekend because the lake's kind of dried up, so there might be a lot out there on the lake. That would be cool to find some arrowheads. Well, the news came out and the market didn't do anything too crazy, but we still wanted to be cautious. Kind of chopping around at this pivot point in the top of the 15-minute range. We're going to be patient, hang out for another hour or so and see if we can get one really good setup. Would be nice to add, you know, another $400 in profit or so here. These last 7 contracts probably could have been taken out slightly higher, but to at least get a 1-to-1, you know, it is what it is, though. You kind of got to take your profits as you're going, as it's getting that push, instead of letting it reverse and come back down to your break even like it did on those last 2, because you got that trailing drawdown. So, you know. But we're green for the day, putting some green in there. Kind of, these are the 2 bull flag breakouts that we had. The one at 9:39 and the one at 9:48. 10 minutes apart from each other. You could have entered like here, right here, or you could have entered where we entered here. Maybe managed it a little bit better, took more profit up here. You know, could have just let it ride out for 20 points, taken all the contracts out at 20 points. That would have been at the 68s. You know, make $400 real quick, 1-to-1. Market pushing back down a little bit here below the 21 EMA. Bulls might be running into issues now. Coming back down into the 15-minute range. It's not uncommon for the market to push above the 15-minute range and not break out and go super high and then start heading back down. And the rule, what we're kind of looking for now is if it closes below VWAP and this blue line, then the bears may be able to take that momentum further. Then we got yesterday's low down there at the 20,000. So that can happen too. If we start getting below this 20,100 level, bulls might run into some issues here. Start coming down into this area down here. Oh no, just gotta sit back and watch. No more news. So this is all just price action based off of buyers and sellers. This market kind of dipping down now, but the bulls and bears could fight it out here. We still got that 21 EMA right now that's trying to push through on the 2-minute. Got a couple bullish fair value gaps, but if we can start closing below this 20,110 area, the bears might take control and get this momentum down. We just got to wait and see if it does that. If it does that, then there's a high probability that it'll kind of keep falling. But until then, we're kind of right in the middle of the top half here. Just being patient, waiting, watching. That house looks nice. Wherever that is. That looks pretty baller. Shot caller. If I was a baller, a shot caller. What's that song? If I was a baller, shot caller. What is that song, dude? I don't even know. Shorty let my be my sponsor. Hold on. I forget what the song is. Let her be my sponsor. A shot caller. What is this song? No, I'm trying to think of. Shorty let my. Hold on. I gotta look it up. It's called Shot Caller, I think. Shot Caller. French Montana. Yeah. Now I'm gonna get demonetized, but I don't even make no money with the YouTube. Oh no. Thought it was freezing. Oh shit. There we go. Pushing back up above the 15-minute range. See what happens at this pivot point. Kind of. French Montana shot caller.
You've been accused of plagiarizing your master's thesis. It's not true.
Break through this 180s, maybe. It's kind of a steep bull flag. I don't know about that. Well, fuck, might have missed it, but I'm still a shot caller. I called that out. Damn it. Just worried too much about the music. Ugh. I mean, you get through that 180. This might start pushing now. I don't know. Like, was that the third one? Was that the third wave? The fake out below the 21 EMA? I don't know. I don't like that it did that. It's like we need to. I want to see another bull flag now after it did that, because now it's pulling back. So if you would have got in at the 180s, stop would have been at like 65 down here. Woo. I don't know. I don't like that it kind of started dipping below and then back up. You know what I'm saying? We did close above the pivot. That's good. We got another pivot up there at the 342s, but if we look to the left, what do we got? Could start ramping up here now. Kind of looks like the market wants to go higher, maybe come back into yesterday's range, maybe 5 minute. No bull flag on the 5 minute, really. Just being patient more. Just being more patient. Higher lows, higher high. Well, is it just going to break out here? I don't know. It's 190 break. Push up and out. Here we go. Above the pivot. Above the pivot, baby. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Let's get this push on up and out. Can't lose now, baby. Come on, hit it. Hit it, baby, hit it. Hit it. There we go. Hit it. Long's getting paid, baby. There we go. I'm going to trail this last one up. Trail this last one up. So this continuation up, I mean, there's nowhere. This thing could just keep pushing now. Beautiful trade though. Long from the 190s. All right, there we go. Not bad, not bad. There we go, baby. All on my own, man. We did it here. There's a nice little 1-to-1, 345 bucks on that trade. That's it, dude. That's all she wrote. I think we're gonna close her down. 2 wins. Both of those trades were on our own. Market just pushed above that pivot, kind of bull flagged a little bit. We jumped in, rode the wave up, man. Rode the wave up. That was a 1-to-1.
Quick, it's about to start. Grab a glass. Take a seat.
Nice way to end Friday and the week. Nice way to end the week. Still pushing. Come on with a thug. Let's get shit cracking. Just a freak in the Magnum. Popped out the Magnum. Popped in the ghost. Just to sit back and thank God. Man, that thing put in a freaking higher low and then kept going. Market just wants to go. Kind of ramping up now. See? We knew that was kind of the way it was going. Rick Ross, boss. Like a boss. Like a boss. Kind of had another. We're kind of put in a higher high here. Put in a higher low in here and just kept going. Man, if we could have just not got stock carrier, we could have freaking trailed that up to the 230s. We got in at the 190s. Little 40 points right there. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. My dog's looking at me like, bro, you're supposed to be done. You're done. You're done. You're done for the day, Dad. Is that what you're saying? I peed earlier, but I didn't poop, Dad. I still need to go out again. There's the breakout above the pivot point in the 15-minute range. I had that candle close. Something like that. From the top of the 9 a.m. candle. But we had that breakout too. That one was just weird because it dipped below the 21 EMA. Quit moving. The market just wants to go higher. It's moving my chart. Shit. We can't hit a ball. Yo, why can't I draw a line? Where'd my crosshairs go? Lost my crosshairs. There we go. There we go. Right there. From that 9 a.m. And then we drew one from the top of the 908. But I guess you could have. Who did we get in at? I want to draw that though. 190s. 190s up to the 245s. 55 points there. That's pretty good. Yeah. I'm the biggest boss that you've seen thus far. We did good. We did good today, you know. Figure we made over $500 using 10 micros. In the future, when the account gets larger, if that was 20 micros, that would have been $1,000 a day. So I think that was a good day. That was a good Friday, a good way to end the week. So this week we did have a green week. You know, freaking hungry. I think it's time to make some breakfast. All right, y'all. We'll have a great weekend. We're going to end it here. 2 winning trades, 2 long trades on this push out right here, on this 1 minute breakout right here. Another 1 minute breakout here. 10 micros on each, taking partials along the way just to lock in those profits. End the week in the green. Monday's new week next week. Let's keep doing it. Once we get this account over like 51,000, maybe we can go up to 15 micros, and then we get it over 52,000, we go up to 20 or whatever. Just not going to increase the amount we're trading until the account grows. We want to be consistent, stick to our discipline, form good habits. Just do our thing, baby. That's it. All right. Peace out. Later.